Sunday night South Asian news segment with Community Roundup. Hope you all enjoyed this weekend with friends and family. Let's get started with this segment and take a look at the headlines for this evening. Welcome back. This is Community Roundup and I am Aditi Lamba. The Indian American Forum for Political Education, in partnership with Federation of India Communities Association of Northeast Ohio and sister organization, hosted a reception for Honorable Indian Ambassador to USA Arun Kumar Singh in Cleveland. The ambassador reflected upon the contributions made by both the organizations in fostering U.S.-India relations and the significance of Prime Minister Modi's visit to the United States. The reception brought together the South Asian community of Ohio to interact with the ambassador and reflect upon all the efforts made by the government for the Indian community. In his remarks, the ambassador thanked both the organizations for this reception and for their contributions in fostering U.S.-India relations. He also spoke about the significance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to the U.S., which has tremendously improved the India-U.S. relationship on a global platform.
Here for an American forum, as a political forum from India, and actually with the Ambassador Singh, we had actually excellent program today. And I think we enjoy everybody here very well with the Lander Haven in Cleveland area. With the RNC, right now Ambassador is here with the Republican National Convention to attend. Dr. Singh is here.
And in a smaller interaction that he had with the representatives of about 20 businesses, CEOs of 20 US businesses, they indicated that in the next 2 to 3 years, they had plans of about $45 billion of further investment in India. And this is coming on top of what they had indicated 2 years earlier through the US IBC, that they were looking at $27 billion of investment in India. And the last part of that has already been realized. We are now looking at $45 billion of additional investment. The CEO of Amazon, who was present on the occasion, announced publicly that they were planning to invest in another $3 billion in India on top of the $2 billion that they had already done. And this is indicative of the change that is happening in India. Over the last 2 years, several steps have been taken in terms of ease of doing business, facilitating investments. And last year, for example, the foreign direct investment in India was $55 billion.
An excellent group of local volunteers and people from the Indian community here in the Cleveland area. RNC is here in Cleveland also, and that is exactly the reason why Ambassador Singh is here attending the function at RNC. And it's a pleasure for us to be here. We are from Columbus, Ohio, but we came here to support the event from FICA Cleveland and help out the community here in Cleveland area.
I'm delighted to be here in Cleveland, and the Indian American organizations here have arranged this wonderful reception. So I'm grateful to the Indian American Forum for Political Education, to FICA for bringing the community together to discuss the trends in relations between India and the United States, the expanding trade and economic relationship, the growing defense partnership, and what gives a fundamental basis to the relationship, the growing people-to-people dimension of the relationship. Based on what we have achieved, we have potential of doing much more, and the visit of the Honorable Indian Prime Minister to the US from 6 to 8 June, his interaction with President Obama, his meeting with US business persons, as well as his address to a joint meeting of the US Congress, showed that there is bipartisan support in both our countries to take this relationship forward.
Thank you. I'm Rupesh. I'm from Akron General Cleveland Clinic. This is Dr. Gulati from Metro Health. This is Padma Jammunathan. And we are actually representing SEWA here, and we want to thank the FICA for inviting us. It was a pleasure to listen and meet and greet with the Ambassador of India, and I was very happy to hear how we are doing as an Indian community and as a physician. And at the end, I want to thank TV Asia for giving the coverage, and thank you, and it was a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Ramakrishna. I'm the Vice Chair of FIA. It is pleasure to have Arun Singh in Ohio, and he was attending the RNC. And it was a big gathering over here in Cleveland, like a lot of Indians and Americans to meet and greet him. And Arun Singh educated us very well, like the business we are growing up with India. Look, it's vice versa. So, yeah. Thank you, and thank you, TV Asia.
Thank you, TV Asia.
This is Satish Parikh, past president and board of trustee for the Federation of India Community Association. I would like to mention that we are so honored to hold the reception for our honor ambassador, Mr. Arun Singh, and we delighted, and we had a good turnout. We are fortunate to have him to give us a nice talk about the India-US relation. And thank you, Mr. Honorable Ambassador Arun Singh. And I also thank to FICA for organizing this event. TV Asia, thank you for giving us the opportunity to give this interview. Bye.
Hi, this is Sujata Lakhe Barnard. I presently serve as the president of FICA. It is a community organization at Cleveland, Ohio, and we were very honored to welcome Mr. Arun Kumar Singh, who is an ambassador to United States from India. He's a very scholarly person, and he gave a great talk, and I'm really happy that he came here when it is such a beautiful day, which Cleveland gets rarely. Plus, it is also decorated beautifully because we are hosting the Republican National Convention this year. And also it happens that our major sports team, Cavs, which is a basketball team, won in last 52 years. We haven't had a championship for 52 years, and this is the first one. So the city is exciting, and we were very excited to have him here. And I want to thank TV Asia, and I want to thank Mahesh Bhai for always being there and making us famous. Thank you.